Welcome to Happy Swing Bali, where dreams, fashion, and breathtaking scenery come together above the tropical landscape. From soaring jungle swings to beautifully crafted bird nests, every corner is designed to capture moments that feel straight out of a fairy tale. Flowing long dresses dance effortlessly in the Bali breeze, creating cinematic scenes against the island's stunning natural backdrop. High above the rice terraces, the famous hot air balloon style installation offers the illusion of floating peacefully above paradise, creating picture-perfect memories from every angle. As the drone rises higher, the beauty of Tegallalang unfolds below. Layers of emerald green, swaying palms, and golden sunlight stretching across the valley. This is more than a photo shoot, it's elegance in motion, adventure with style. A celebration of beauty, confidence, and Bali's magical spirit. Whether you are capturing memories, creating content, or simply living the moment, Happy Bali Swing offers an experience unlike anywhere else in the world. Come for the view, stay for the magic. This is the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment section.